Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated process of logging into your Gmail account on your PC. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered with simple steps to access your emails seamlessly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Once you have your browser open, type in the address bar gmail.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Gmail homepage. Now that you're on the Gmail site, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed to the login screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the full email associated with your Gmail account. This could be something like username@gmail.com. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Next up is entering your password. Type in your password carefully. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you happen to forget your password, there's an option available for recovery right on this page. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on the Sign In button. Congratulations! If all goes well, you'll be directed straight to your Gmail inbox. Here, you can view incoming messages, compose new emails, and manage your contacts efficiently. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't worry. Make sure that you've entered both your email and password correctly. If you're still having trouble logging in, consider checking Google's help resources for troubleshooting tips. Remember, if you're using a public or shared computer, it's crucial to log out after you're done to protect your account from unauthorized access. That wraps up our guide on how to log into Gmail on PC with the latest updates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.